Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into what's shaping up to be the most anticipated smartphone of 2025, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. From groundbreaking chipsets to cutting edge memory advancements, this phone promises to be a game changer. In this detailed analysis, we'll explore the powerful components, new features, and potential performance of the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Whether you're a tech junkie or just curious about the latest in mobile innovation, stick around as we unravel everything you need to know about this flagship device. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is generating a buzz with its expected inclusion of advanced chipset technology. Depending on the region, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will either be equipped with the Exynos 2500 or the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, set to make its debut in October 2024, promises to offer a significant performance boost compared to its predecessors. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's performance metrics suggest it will have a competitive edge over the iPhone 16 Pro Max, particularly in CPU-intensive tasks. With advancements in processing power and efficiency, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 could potentially surpass the iPhone 16 Pro Max in global performance benchmarks. Samsung is also making headlines with its introduction of the world's slimmest mobile device memory chips. The new 12-layer DDR5X RAM chips are a mere 0.65 millimeters thick, yet offer high density and improved heat resistance. These advancements are designed to meet the demanding requirements of modern mobile AI applications. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to feature these cutting-edge RAM chips with configurations of 12 GB and 16 GB, marking a significant upgrade from the previous Galaxy S21 series. This increased RAM capacity will enhance the device's performance, especially in AI tasks and multitasking scenarios. Apple's decision to exclude AI capabilities from the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus due to their 6 GB RAM limitation highlights the importance of memory in powering advanced features. Apple plans to introduce 8 GB of RAM in the upcoming iPhone 16, but Samsung is set to offer double that with its 12 GB and 16 GB configurations in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 series may feature a fresh design, distinguishing it from the Galaxy S23 and S24 series. While specific design elements remain unconfirmed, the potential redesign aims to set the Galaxy S25 Ultra apart in a competitive market. Share your opinions in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest in tech news and reviews. Until next time, take care and peace out. Samsung is also focusing on enhancing its AI integration, with plans to collaborate closely with partners like DeepSeek. Share your opinions in the comments below and stay tuned for more updates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for the latest in tech news and reviews. Until next time, take care and peace.